The victim captured the moment. His home was surrounded by flames spreading from a bushfire. The smoke had spread into the house, and he was trying to wait for rescue.
Hi. Just be okay. You're gonna be okay. Hi. You're gonna be okay.
He was very optimistic and encouraged his family
Shit.
and his dog.
Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Oh shit.
Fortunately, the rescue team arrived and tried to tackle the fire from above.
Scary, huh?
Yeah. Okay. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay.
Got the water right?
Yeah. Oh shit. So where's the gas?
Outside?
Okay, the gas is off right now.